It is a Bugatti.
How excited are you, bro? Look what's behind us.
What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up because today is going to be a turn up. The most unexpected days are usually the best days. I just got a phone call from my homie George. He's been impatiently waiting for his car for close to a month already. He got a call from the transportation company. It finally touched down. It is in LA. So we're gonna go over there, take a look at his car, pick it up, take it out for a ride, and there's a little surprise over there. It is a Bugatti. What type of Bugatti? I don't want to say. Hopefully it's there and you guys will be able to take a look at it. So let's go pick up George and hit the road.
Yo, so we at the JP Logistics warehouse right now looking at my buddy's G550 Square. Black on black. He finally picked it up. This car was brought here from Boston. Shout out to JP again for bringing this car out. Thing's a complete tank. So let's take a look around the outside of the car, just take a little walk around, make you guys a little montage with the video clip. This thing is beautiful. Yo, so this is epic because we're over here at JP. We picked up the G550 Square. Look what's behind us. The Chiron. Damn, blue carbon with a red interior. Let's take a look at this baby. Wagon is out of the garage. It is here. My homie George is about to go take the car, surprise his girlfriend, get it wrapped later on, and then we'll touch back with him in a few weeks, maybe do a little review on it and take it out for a spin. But for now I just wanted to bring him down here to pick it up so he doesn't Uber down to JP's warehouse. And there you go guys, the G550 Square. Bro, say what's up to the people.
What's up guys?
You finally got it.
Super excited.
Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video and we'll catch you guys next time. Maybe we'll do a G550 review and something else with George.
Yep.
Peace. Till next time.